Okay, here we want to look at parallel and perpendicular lines and the slight differences. Now, all of this is actually going back to the point slope formula that we used before. That's going to be y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Remember, that's the rule that we all need to go back to anytime we're doing this. Now, this is the main thing we need to focus on when looking at the parallel and perpendicular lines are the slopes. It's very important to know the slope. So now, write the equation of the line that passes through the point 4, 2 that is parallel to y is equal to 3x plus 7. The first thing that we need to know that if two lines are parallel, then they have the same slope. They move in the same direction. So our slope is 3. So we must know that we're going to use 3 for the new line. So we put it into the formula. Y minus 2 is equal to 3, then x minus 4. Okay, y minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 12. And now when we add 2 to both sides, y is equal to 3x minus 10. As we can see, the original slope was 3, and the line, the slope of the parallel line is also 3. Okay, that's something we can always look for. Now, this example 2 says, write the equation of the line that passes through negative 4, 8 that is perpendicular to y equals 2x minus 9. So anytime a line is perpendicular to another, their slopes are negative reciprocals of one another. This is what we mean. This is y minus 8 is equal to negative 1/2 x minus a negative 4. So we're going to go ahead and put x plus 4. Remember, a negative and negative make this a positive. Okay, I'm going to come back and point this out. The slope of the original line was 2. But the negative reciprocal of 2 is what? Negative 1/2. So we're going straight through it and just sticking to our rules. So now we have y minus 8 is equal to negative 1/2 x minus 2. Negative 1/2 times a positive 4 gives us a negative 2. And now when we add 8 to both sides, so we can solve for y, we have y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 6. So these are just 2 quick examples of how we find a perpendicular and parallel lines. The main thing is to always focus on the slope. That's the most important part. If 2 lines are parallel, then they have the same slope. But if 2 lines are perpendicular, then their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. That means one will be positive, one will be negative. Okay, and they'll be reciprocal with each other. That's how we solve this type of problem.